Okay, so hello my brothers. Okay, so well, third time from today. So we have like everything same. So Hanno and Udwin the same team, but I added Richard and Saladin to help Wolf and Frederick. So okay, let's try this now. So yeah, so these two Udwin and Hanno. So yeah, I added Richard and Saladin. So okay, let's try maybe. Maybe no, this will be too much for these two, or maybe it will be not too much. So I don't know how this thing will go now. But okay, so let's see. Richard is there, Wolf is there, the Frederick in snake body. I didn't change anything, of course, and Saladin is there. Okay, Saladin don't have strong castle, but okay. Uh. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Will this be maybe too much? Maybe not for these two. I don't know. But let's try this. Okay. So yeah. So first attacks, like love first attacks. Yeah. Why is his? Why he didn't like no fill these towers with crossbowmen? What? Why is this game so random? Like, why he didn't fill the towers now with crossbowmen? What is this now? What is this? I don't get this game at all now. Like what? Why is he... Okay, so yeah, Richard is big. Wow. Okay, But I don't get why. Bro, Richard is insta dead. Oh yeah. But yeah, Wolf will help Richard to defend with his mangonels and yeah. Okay, let's see. But I hope so. The Richard. Okay, this. Bro, first attack and Richard is. He will defend the attack. Okay. Richard defend the attack, but okay, the next attack. Bro, it will be. Okay. This is Saladin unit. Saladin is black. Yes, Saladin will attack. Bro, this is nothing. Okay, I really don't know why is this not empty. And how is this take? Bro, what? How is this take damage? Okay, so I don't know this game. This game is so. Bro, what is this? Like, I have no idea. The hell is going on now? Like, what the heck is going on with this game? Okay, they managed to break through. Okay, no, he is taking pressure for some reason. In the previous attempts, bro, they couldn't even reach but his towers is not even half full. Okay, random game, totally random game, not new. Yeah, switch map and situation is totally different. Like, switch position to the character, like where he will be. So, and yeah. Okay, so maybe if I use Hanno in the Udwin position, maybe he will have full archers on these towers. Yeah, I just don't know. Okay, okay, they have a lot of resources, but well, I don't know. I don't have no idea. Okay, so let's see this attack. Will Udwin do another attack to Richard, or he defended the wolf attack? Okay, Udwin will attack. Hanno units, he recruit the units. Okay, I don't get. Okay, okay, so this is the Frederick units. Okay, they managed to break through the castle, but yeah, Hanno will defend the attack. Okay, so Richard will attack Udwin. This will be problem for Richard, bro. This is the problem for Richard. This is such a weak attack, bro. Okay, so this is over for Lionheart. Okay, wait. This is over for Lionheart. Okay, Udwin, the wolf have no nice castle. Okay, castle. Okay, maybe. Ooh, okay, Saladin will do another attack. So Saladin will attack this Hanno. Ooh, a lot of swordmen. Okay, maybe. Okay, so this can be promising. This can be really promising. Because I don't know, Hanno is not like playing full like in the previous game match. Oh, this can be a lot of, or maybe not, no? Oh, this easily can catch the fire. Is Udwin attacking, no? Okay, just checking. Okay, oh, nothing, bro. Ooh. Okay, Hanno defended the attack easily. Lionheart don't have gold, Lionheart don't have troops, so this is over for Lionheart. Bro, this is over for Lionheart. Lionheart don't have any gold. Like, how is this Lionheart so bad, bro? What? Why is this Lionheart so bad? Oh yeah, this is over for Lionheart. Oh, this is over for. Okay, he survived the one attack.
A message
Yeah.
from the Lionheart. Events have come to a pretty pass when a king must
Yep.
cower
Okay,
in
so they will open the gates, and yeah, this is over for Lionheart.
A message from the Lionheart.
Bro, what? Easy.
I am bested, and my poor bones must rest in these wretched sands.
Oh. Okay, so instantly another attack. It will be on Wolf. Okay, so they will pressure Wolf. Okay, so yeah, these two will attack Wolf. Well, better if they attack the Frederick. They will have a lot of more chances to beat Frederick, and it will be a little bit easier to deal with Wolf, but they will struggle now, like, to beat the Wolf. Yep, they will now struggle to beat the Wolf. Oh, fantastic crossbowman placement, really. Lol. Yeah. Okay, they will know. Okay, so now this will be the problem for them to beat the wolf now. The Saladin will constantly attack and Frederick will constantly attack, while these two will deal. Ooh, Frederick units. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Now this will be problem. Now these two will attack the wolf, but Frederick and Saladin will constantly attack this. The Hanno. So Hanno will be in the problem. Aha, okay, no, so he filled the towers with these crossbowmen. Okay. But Udwin is OP definitely. Oh. Okay, so yeah, he defended the Frederick attack, but there is Saladin attack. So if the the Saladin and Frederick attack in the same time, maybe it will be problem for Hanno. Okay, no, I guess he will not. Yeah, he will not easily defend the attack. Okay, this will catch the fire. Yep. He don't have range for the ballistas. Okay. Okay, so they don't have any economy now. Like stone and mine. This thing is easy. Can catch the fire. Yep. Okay, but yeah, easily defend the attack. Okay, so this will be interesting to see. Okay, wolf don't have gold. Oh. Okay, so let's see. Will wolf do attack? It can be problem for wolf if he do attack. You don't have a lot of defensive units. This Frederick don't look so strong. But okay. And Saladin like yes, he don't look so strong. Not look. Defense not great for some reason, but okay. Hold on, how many units these two have? Okay, these two have a lot of units. Let's see if these two attack wolf at the same time. It will be interesting to see. It will be really interesting how wolf will handle that pressure. Here it is the attack. Will Udwin attack? Will Udwin attack? Okay, yeah, okay, so if Udwin uses the horses too, bro, ooh, it will be really a lot of pressure. Udwin help him, like, no. Nope. The game is lagging. Okay, so yeah, the horses are dead. Nice pressure, yep, he beat a lot of catapults units on the tower. But yeah, these units will not die. Oh, okay, here it is the Udwin. Oh, here it is the Udwin with some, well, he have a lot of less knights for use. Someone is attacking Hanno, no? Is anyone attacking Hanno? No? Okay, well, these two needs to take Hanno, like, more aggressively. Okay, so feel like Baron his weapons. Ooh, bro, ooh, unit still going. Okay, interesting. This Frederick is like really not helping. Yeah. Oh, bro! Ew. Ooh, bro, these two is the killing pits. Yeah, these killing pits like half HP from the swordsmans. Okay, will they manage to break through? Yes. Ooh, bro, this is a lot. But Wolf had a lot of units in the castle, yeah, so Wolf will defend the attack. Yeah, Wolf defended the attack. Nice. Okay, Wolf defended the attack. But yeah, he take a lot of pressure, but these two is... Okay. Okay, so Saladin will attack. Ooh, a lot of units. But bro, this is so low of horse archers. Look at these swordsmans. Arabian swordsmans. Why is this this Frederick not attacking? Bro, Hanno will defend this, bro. And yeah. Bro, look at these swordsmen. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, this walls, his walls is paper walls, but a lot of crossbowmen. Ooh, bro, they obliterated these Arabian swordsmen. Yo, they can't even. Okay, and he's instantly repairing walls. Oh, bro, yo, zero pressure. Oh, okay. Well, 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 well. Well, 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 well. Well, Saladin tried it, but nothing. It's really nothing. Aha, so Frederick will attack. Yeah. Let's see this attack from Frederick. But probably it will not end well. Okay, so probably yeah, this will end well for Frederick. He will do nothing. Yep. Use units, don't stay with these units, bro. Don't stay with units on the place. Oh, bro. Okay, yeah, Hanno will defend this, bro. Hanno, bro, easily defend this attack. Yeah, what? Bro, these two are OP. Well, it will be interesting to see how they will deal with Firefly ladies, like this, the who remember the lords, Azula, Kesha, and that like the girl, the futuristic lords. Who remember those lords? But yeah, easily. And yeah, okay, so the lords they got some buffs, some updates like Firefly ladies, Akesha, that lord, Azula, I forgot all the others. Khaled, like Widowmaker, and yeah, they got some updates, but I didn't cover that, and I don't know what they get. Didn't follow any updates for them, but I can revisit them if anyone wants to see this AI. Okay, so someone is attacking. So yeah, the Hanno is attacking, and Udwin is attacking. Okay, Hanno is attacking Wolf again. Yeah, okay, but no, in the different. And Wolf is attacking. Okay, that's bad. That's bad because this will be over for Wolf. This is over for Wolf. Why are you attacking, no Wolf? Why is this Wolf attacking when he don't need to do attack? Bro, why, look at but hey, this game is just
a message from the wolf.
Bro, this game is so I don't know how this constantly happened. How they attack while doing attack, but how is these things happening constantly? Just how? And yeah, he lost all units anyway. The Wolf lost all units. Every single units Yeah, this is over, bro. Oh, will this? Yeah, this. Fire, bro. No. Ooh. Okay, so this two is ultimate killing machine. Aha, Saladin is attacking Hanno. But yeah, nothing. They can't even reach the castle. These two is ultimate killing machines. Bro, OP. This Udwin is OP. This Udwin is OP. And Hanno is OP. You can't just send the swarmmen to enter the castle. Just can't do that. These crossbowmen will melt every single units. This crossbowmen is OP. They need to be a little bit changed. They deal a lot of damage. Okay, another attack or not. They deal massive damage. Yeah, he's another attack, but it's a little bit weaker attack. Okay. Aha, and Udwin, no, bro, okay, these two works together. Bro, these two is just... Okay, I don't know. Just OP units, just Hackerman, they just OP. Like Hackerman units. Units, AI. Well, yeah, the Hackerman is cheating, so yeah, he's... So yeah, it's not fair at all. And he have a lot like ballistas and like this ballistas in one tower. How is that possible? I don't know. Like 5, 6 ballistas in one tower. Okay, so yeah, this was nothing. But okay. So yeah, they don't. Bro, Hanno gold. How Hanno have this amount of gold? Like, what is this amount of gold? What the heck is this amount of gold? And Udwin have still a lot of gold. So yeah, Frederick don't have gold at all. And Saladin have a lot of gold too. Okay, but yeah, this is over for these two. They can't even reach the Hanno castle. And not a zero chance to break any walls, like with like 500 units. They can do nothing or more. Okay, someone is attacking. I guess Saladin is attacking. Yes, Saladin attacking with 800 units, 900 of units. Okay, well this is a really huge amount of units. Bro, look at these tournaments going. Bro, can Frederick help Saladin to do attack? No? No? Saladin, Frederick will not help Saladin. Bro, this amount. Why he don't add the more horse archers like he always added the more? Why is he not doing that? Okay, let's see how these all swarments will die. Bro. Yeah, let's see how these units will die. Oh, okay, let's slow down a bit. Use units! Use units, don't stay with your units, bro. Use them. Is this Hanno attacking like... Bro, use all units. Don't do that. Bro, they can't even reach. Okay, this nothing. Nothing, plus bro, plus Udwin is there, bro. Bro, what? Yeah, zero, bro. Bro, what? Okay, so Saladin have 100 units probably, yeah, 200, yeah. Nothing. Bro, easy, okay. This two is just broken. OTP lords, like. OTP lords. And Hanno loses 0 units, like, to defend the attack. Okay, and this Frederick can't even recruit the units. So yeah, just bro, 2k units. Okay, so 2k. Okay, so they will. Oh, bro, they will beat the Frederick. Oh. Okay, so and Udwin is attack. Oh, okay, so this is over. Bro, yo. Oh. Bro, they attack like he attacking 2 lords at the same time. Plus, with Udwin horses. Bro, this is over. They are too OP, bro. This is so broken. Yo, there is like, I don't know, like 500 of horse archers. Melted everything. Bro, they easy 2 lords they are attacking. Bro, what? Bro, what? Bro, yo, what?
Eine Nachricht von
Bro, bro, they destroyed. Uh, uh, they killed with horse archers, Saladin Lord. What? What? Bro, this Frederick trying, but this is impossible to defend. Bro, how they with horse archers beat the Lord? Like what? Oh, okay, Lord, he's Lord. Where is my? Oh, bro. Oh. Okay, I didn't see that, bro. Bro, look how his health will die, bro. Oh. Oh, okay. This beat, like Saladin dead was. Wow, bro. Oh, wow. Hilarious. These two OP lords. I don't know. I don't know. Can they anyone beat them or OP? Giga Chad. Oh, killing machine. But Saladin dead. Wow. Just wow. Okay, my brothers. So thanks for watching this and see you next time.